Hey guys, Markel here, back with another video, and currently I'm filming on the Insta360 One X2. So this is in FOV mode for those of you who would like to blog and just use this as your blogging camera instead of just using it as a 360 camera, because I'm only using half of the camera, which is 180 degrees, and the other half is being turned off. So I wanted you guys to see and hear what it currently sounds like if you plan on blogging with just this camera. Other than that, guys, let's get started with the unboxing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here with an unboxing. So just got this arrived, from Amazon. So let's open this thing up. Yeah, using the best unboxing knife, steak knife. Wow, I gotta cut the rest of this. They got it taped pretty damn good. So let's see what I wasted money on this time. And it'll be more stuff in boxes. So yeah, I bought an Insta360 camera, 360 camera, the One X2. And this is the selfie stick. It was a sale going, and then I got all this stuff off of a bundle sale. So this is the Insta360 One X2 camera. Let's see. These are tempered glass screen protectors. This is a lens cap, and this should be the case. Okay, because they had a sale going on Amazon with their Prime members, and I just happened one day to be going on. And I've been wanting to get this camera, but I've been putting it off for a while. So I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger with this bundle. But this is a case to carry it in that I'm not going to use just to store the extra stuff in because it's too freaking big. But open it up, let you guys take a look. So this is the way it's laid out. All your cables and everything would be over here, right, from the way they got it laid out. And then this is just a protective padding here. Just protective padding for everything that goes here. The camera, the selfie sticks, and all that stuff, as you can see right here. All right, guys, so let's start with the main attraction of the show, which is the Insta360 One X2. This camera's been out over a year, and I've been wanting to get it. I had the GoPro Max. I recently sold my GoPro Max to get this camera. And let me just say this also. I'm not showing these things because I'm trying to get people to influence to buy them. I'm showing these things because as a retiree, you get to be a kid again when you can afford to buy stuff like this and it doesn't affect you. So that's why I do things like this. I'm buying stuff that I want, not to influence anybody to buy it, because I don't have no affiliate links or none of that. I'm doing it for me. All right, so let's check this camera out. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was. Usually in videos it looks a lot bigger, but it's really not. And I got this to match with my Insta360 Go 2. All right, so that's the camera. Let's see what else we get in the box. Just open up right here. Okay, so we get, the protective sleeve that goes over the camera. I'm not setting it back, so I don't care about this plastic. So you get the protective sleeve right here. That goes inside like that because you want to protect these lenses, these 360 lenses. They're open. If you scratch them, this thing is ruined. So you basically spend $500 for nothing. So that's what that is. And we get instruction manuals, the sticker. Oh, you got a microfiber cloth. That's good. These stickers and the rest of this crap, I don't care about. Never going to use. If there's something I don't know about the camera, I'll just look it up on YouTube. And then I got a lens cover. This came with the pack. Again, I'm not sending this stuff back, so I don't care how I open it. You don't need instructions with this. This is just a lens cap. So when you don't want to use this case or you're recording a lot, you can just keep it like this. So that's what that does, is protect those two lenses. The screen protectors, self-explanatory. They go on the little circular screen. Right here is the invisible selfie stick. Yeah, you're gonna buy this setup, you definitely want to get a selfie stick. And here's what that looks like. Oh, it just pulls out. Okay. But it stretches out pretty far. Oh yeah, this is a long one. So this thing stretches out pretty far and collapses down pretty small. So it's not that much bigger than my hand. It's very small. And what I'm trying to do, guys, is keep things as light as possible to where I don't need to carry a backpack. So this is basically the setup I want to take with my Insta360 Go and film that way, and include sometimes my DJI Action 2, and that'll be it. So I'm going to use this today when I go out, and let's see what kind of stuff I can do with it.